Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the code error 0x8000 plus on your Windows 11, and this should be an easy one, but it also takes up a lot of time, and the process may be tedious to some people, but you have to bear with me. So first off, you need to go to type in services under your Windows option like so, and once you're in, um, kindly go down and search for background intelligent transfer service. Click on properties, and here you should be able to change this manual option to automatic under a startup type, and then click OK once you've done that. Next is go to Windows update button like here, and you have to do the same by changing the manual option to automatic. Once you're done with the services, you need to go to Task Manager, and here we will be using CMD or command line on your Windows 11. So once you're here, click on File, Run New Task. Under Open, click on Browse, and then here you should follow this the location direction. Click this PC, local disk C, and then click Windows System 32. And under System 32, just click on CMD. And then once you click that, click on OK. But once you have click on automatic, change your startup type from manual to automatic. You should be seeing a prompt here or a checkbox here, and then click on that. Once you're done that, and click OK. So since this is popped up, what you need to do next is follow this simple step that I have screenshot here. You have to type this in one by one, and be careful. First off, type in netstop WUAU serve, then click next or click the enter button, and then type in stop crypt svc, and then next netstop bits. Just click on pause button on this video if you need some time typing the direction. Next is netstop MSI server, stop capital A app ID svc, and then click here ren c colon / windows / software distribution.old, and then same here as you can see here on the screen, and then netstart WUAU serve, and then netstart crypt svc, netstart crypt svc, netstart bits, start MSI server, app ID sv, and then once you're done with that, click on type in exit and then click on enter, and then you should be able to restart your computer and fix the code error 0x8000 plus. That's it. Thank you.